Hello, ACX here. Just want to show you a setup that I love to use. It's the continuation setup, and basically what it is doing is just searching for liquidity and then just moving up higher. And it's just you'll see this over and over again, and it will just train your mind just to be a little bit more patient when actually trading a breakout. So as you can see here, we'll look at gold for the first example here. We see the support level on the 4 hour when we see price dip below it, and now it's just re-entered that area. So if we skip down to the 15-minute chart, you can see this area where you have a flat top breakout, right? See this area of resistance. Now, what a lot of people were told here is to buy on the first retest, alright? So you have the breakout, and they say don't chase these candles, don't chase this breakout because it could easily be a fake out, and then just to buy the retest, and if the retest holds. But what you will actually notice is that if a lot of people are long in this retest, this is a classical pattern, right? This is one of the basic patterns. So many people are trained just to put this stop loss in this area. And as you can see, price just comes around. All these stops will be getting triggered now. So what do we look for? Well, if larger players want to get involved, they need liquidity to get into their big positions. So obviously this is just going to be a pool of stops here. It's obvious. It's so obvious to see. And it's obviously just a readable pattern. So what we look for now, instead of jumping in with all these guys here that are just obviously putting their stops there. You know, people say put your entry where the stop is. Well, that's a bit difficult because now you're buying below this resistance point, and the risk reward ain't great, and you don't really know where the bottom is, especially after a candle like that. So the play is just to wait for this level to get reclaimed, and then if you see that one hold, then you take it, because you know that liquidity's just been run in this area right around here, and now you've reclaimed that level. So you haven't got this resistance point to break no more. You've got these highs, fair enough, but you know you should be able to take these out. As you can see, just higher low, and then hopefully break up to another higher. So that is the pattern that we look for in continuation setups, and I'll show you another one as well, and this was silver. So I'll put this one out to the members, and it's exactly the same thing, but it's a bit more on a larger scale here. So you can see this, the one tap, the two tap, and then you finally get the breakout on the third tap. Well, you've got a tap here, but really you finally get this breakout of this resistance area here. Multiple taps and a breakout. Now, what do most people do? They'll buy this first retest. So they get the first retest, they're all long. Where do they put their stops? And this area was marked out for the members. The stops would just go right around here. And as you can see, it does bounce a bit, you know, enticing more people in. You get this other one as well, this other new flat top breakout. But what actually happens is you just dip down quickly into the area. There's so many stops going to be here, especially if price starts moving up. You know, they might even move their stop to break even. But this is just a liquidity pool of loads and loads of stops, allowing larger accounts to actually get more size in their positions. And then you get the reclaim right around here, as you can see, and then you just get this huge run. So that is a large move on silver right there. And it's just, you see this over and over again.